I'm so burnt out. I haven't had a day off for weeks. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use haven't done plus for or since. Haven't done plus for or since expresses the last time someone did something or something happened. Let's look at this example. I don't exercise much these days. The last time I exercised was 2 years ago. So we could say, I haven't exercised for 2 years. Or, I haven't exercised since 2019. Let's look at some more examples. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I haven't seen you for ages. How have you been? Karen hasn't seen her friends for weeks because of the lockdown. We really need a vacation. We haven't taken a trip since our honeymoon. I'm so burnt out. I haven't had a day off for weeks. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence using have or hasn't, the past participle of the verb, and then for or since. He hasn't eaten since breakfast. They haven't seen each other for ages. She hasn't seen her friends for weeks. They haven't taken a trip since their honeymoon.